Hey, what's all this stuff, Hera?
So today as Pacific Y, we are gonna do a cooking show. Guess what we're gonna make?
Are we gonna make milk tea?
No. We're gonna make the very hot item in this seasons. It's all over YouTube, it's all over TikToks, all over social media. Can you guess what that is?
I could not guess for the life of me right now. I'm very hermit.
Alright, let me tell you, it's Dalgona coffee.
Dalgona coffee?
Yeah.
What's
You're
that?
gonna love it. It's a very good coffee. It's really delicious. I think it's from Korea. Basically, it's a whipped coffee. So instead of coffee and then you pour milk over, right?
Yeah.
This is a reverse way. So you have milk at the bottom and coffee on top.
Yes.
But it's a whipped coffee.
I do like the texture, but hey, this sounds complicated.
Well, but you can do it because
Even
I can
me?
do it.
What?
Try.
Okay, I'm up for it. Please, show me the way, Hera.
You're gonna need instant coffee, bean coffee, so instant coffee, any type that look like this. Any type of coffee will work. But yeah, looking for something with this texture is the best. I don't know if you can see it.
Let's get closer.
I'm gonna make for a 2-person portion. 2 or 3 teaspoons would be good. I'm gonna go with 3. And depend on how much sugar you want. You can get 1 or 2. You wanna try? You
Yeah.
can help me.
Let me be your sous chef.
Yeah. Let's have sugar in here.
Okay.
This is just raw sugar. Any type of sugar you want it. And then we're gonna want hot water. This is the hot water. I'm gonna pour 3 teaspoons of coffee. It will be good with 3 teaspoons of water.
What inspired you to start making this?
Because I'm bored.
Yeah.
You know, during this time we are so bored, right? And making this, it's just something that you can do at home. You can try at home during this shelter in place. And it's really easy. Everyone can do it. You can do it too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How long should this be stirring it?
Until you see it right, just eyeball it.
Okay.
That's it.
Would you like to care to show our audience?
Yeah. Let's show them. This is how it should look
this
like.
is the kind of product that you want towards
And milk. I think we need to do a little bit more.
More milk?
More milk. Yeah.
Milk?
Oh, that's fine. That's
Fine.
fine.
So you're saying it has to be the coffee beans. It can't be like the grounded up like.
It can. The texture will be a little bit different, but it works too. Everything will work. But this is the most famous one.
Yeah.
Most people use this type of instant coffee. If you want it to be sweet, you can add more sugar.
Drink.
This is the finished product.
Okay.
Let's try. Let me know if you like it.
Okay. Well, that's a great texture. That's a great texture. I'm not really big into like super sweet like coffee drinks, but I do appreciate how this has like its bitterness to it. I like the bitterness. I love the texture. It's a very like a very chill drink.
Yeah, easy to make at home and when you get bored. So try it at home.
Yeah, try it at home. But yeah, guys, as you see, very simple. So if you ever get the opportunity to, just pick up these simple ingredients and give yourselves a little whirly whirl and give it a try.
Yes, everyone can do it. So everyone try it at home and you will enjoy it. That's it.
All right.